Welcome to a quick guide to new routines. Have you ever found yourself thinking in the same direction over and over again? Well, here you go with 2 ways to change your way of thinking. The first way I'd like to propose is based on a simple random word or a random picture. This can actually be anything. Just pick up a book and start off with the first word you read, or take the first thing that crosses your view. No matter if this is a cup of coffee or a remote, and start thinking about your challenge from there. So, for an example, the dictionary offered me to start with pot. And in my case, the challenge is this blank table. Thinking about pots, pot. The first thing that comes up in my mind is soil, which could provide the basis for some fertile ground. So I guess the only thing I'm lacking now is a cozy place to keep me warm, because you never know how cold it's going to be. Just imagine if it starts to snow heavily. And what if it just does not stop snowing? Okay, you see how far this led us from a blank table within 30 seconds. But I'm afraid this scenery will no longer lead to anything but one big mess. So let's move on to the second way. The second way I consider pretty helpful can be summed up by the phrase, find the obvious and work with the opposite. It's about realizing what you take for granted, like cars drive on wheels, and turn it into the opposite. Then look how this change impacts your situation. Let's start off with something basic, a white ball. Well, what's obvious about it? It's white, synthetic of course, it's round and not flexible at all. So let's work with something that's the opposite. I guess this could be a black paper square. Looking at this square now, I realized that I ignored the most obvious thing of this whole scenery. Why does the stage have to be white? And why do I take this pretty constant light for granted? Why can't this be moving and colorful just on stage? Oh, I guess this has been a little bit too much. Well, maybe one last change can help. Why do I try to keep in focus all the time? Maybe a change of focus can help me fix the scenery here. So that's it for now. Just keep playing with these ways, and I'm pretty sure you will come up with something you would not have expected.